ticket closes. I'm so happy I am in the inner circle, and this week we are covering pre-framing. I didn't realize how important pre-framing is to our success in this business, and this week I certainly got a lot of insight into that. Once you get the booking for the call, 3 days before the time, you should send an email to the prospect. In there you should introduce yourself, and there's one or two things that they need to do in order for the call to be a success. Number one, they should watch the webinar in its entirety. This will give them a lot of information about the business which you won't have time to explain, or you don't want to sit and explain on the phone during the call. The other thing is, if they are 100% committed to this call, to show up for the call, and you can also ask them about their current income and the income they want to make in the future. They should answer these questions. You can tell them they should answer the questions in order for the booking to go through. Otherwise, you will cancel the call. Then 1 day before the booking, you give them a phone call, pre-call, just to say, hi, is everything still okay? Is the timing for tomorrow still on? Is our booking still on? Can you still make it? If not, change the booking to another time. Then the morning of the booked call, you send a text again, reminding them that your call is at a certain time, and go from there. Then once you get the booking, hopefully they would have done all these steps, which will really help you a lot in closing your prospect. I have to thank everybody, Dan Locke, Sarge, everybody, for the lovely information, the great training. I'm really enjoying this and super excited for the future. Thank you very much.